Hi everybody! In this video, you'll learn how to flip websites using Flippa. Website flipping means buying a website, improving it, and then selling it for a profit. This can be a great way to make money online if you know what you're doing. Flippa is one of the most popular marketplaces for buying and selling websites, online businesses, and digital assets. I have mentioned a link in the description for you to make an account on Flippa to be able to buy and sell on Flippa. Let's begin with understanding what Flippa is and how it works. Flippa is a platform where people can list websites, domains, apps, and even full online businesses for sale. As a buyer, you can browse listings, make offers, and buy businesses. As a seller, you can list your website, answer questions from potential buyers, and close a sale. Flippa handles payments and helps with the transfer process. If you want to flip websites on Flippa, the first step is to create an account. A full profile builds trust with other users and makes it easier to buy or sell. Now, let's talk about how to find a good website to buy. Log into your Flippa account and go to the Browse section. You'll see many listings. Use filters to narrow down your search. You can choose websites by price range, age, monthly income, traffic, or niche. You should look for websites that are undervalued or have potential to grow. Sites with steady traffic, real income, and poor design are usually good opportunities. That means they already work but can be improved with some effort. Click on a listing to see its details. Read the description carefully. Check how the website makes money. It could be through ads, products, affiliate links, or services. Look at the traffic data. Flippa often connects to Google Analytics. Make sure the traffic is real and consistent. If the seller claims high income, make sure it is backed by screenshots or verified accounts. Look at the expenses too. Net profit is more important than just revenue. Ask the seller questions if anything is unclear. You can message them directly on Flippa. Don't rush. Compare several listings before making a decision. When you find a website you like, you can place a bid if it's an auction or make an offer if it has a buy it now option. Be sure to stick to your budget. Don't overpay. The goal is to find a website at a good price so you can increase its value later. Once your offer is accepted, Flippa will help you complete the payment using escrow. This means your money is held safely until the seller transfers the website to you. After payment, the seller must transfer all assets. This includes the domain name, hosting, website files, email accounts, and any logins for tools like Google Analytics. You should also ask for instructions on how to manage the site. Now that you own the website, it's time to improve it. This is the most important part of website flipping. The changes you make will decide how much profit you can earn when you sell. Start by work on design. If the site looks outdated or hard to use, consider installing a new theme. Make sure it works well on mobile phones and loads quickly. A clean and professional design helps build trust. Also, check for broken links or pages that don't work. Another way to increase value is by adding new income sources. If the site only earns through ads, consider adding affiliate links or digital products. You could also start an email list or connect it to social media. These things make the business more attractive to buyers. Spend at least a few weeks improving the site. In some cases, you may need a few months. It depends on how much work is needed. Don't rush to sell unless the site is ready and you can show growth. When it's time to sell, go back to your Flippa account. Click Sell Now and choose Website or Online Business. Fill out the listing form. Add the website name, URL, business model, and details about income, traffic, and expenses. Be honest and clear. Upload screenshots of traffic and income. The more proof you show, the more buyers will trust you. Write a strong description. Explain what the website does, how it makes money, what changes you made, and why it's a good investment. Mention any potential for growth. If the site runs on autopilot or has passive income, highlight that too. Set a fair price. You can look at similar websites to see what they sold for. Most websites sell for 20 to 40 times their monthly profit. If the site earns $200 a month, you might sell it for $4,000 to $8,000. You can list it as an auction or fixed price. Auctions attract more buyers but may sell for less if you don't have a lot of interest. When someone makes a good offer, you can accept it. Flippa will handle the payment and transfer process again. You now have completed one flip. You made a profit by buying smart, improving the site, and selling it for more. You can repeat the process and grow your income over time. Some people even do this full-time. Remember, not every flip will be a huge success. Sometimes you may break even or make a small profit. The key is to keep learning. Study what worked and what didn't. Over time, you'll get better at spotting opportunities and adding value to sites. That's how you flip websites on Flippa. Start small, do your research, improve what you buy, and build a good record. I have mentioned a link in the description for you to make an account on Flippa to be able to buy and sell on Flippa.